Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today, meron tayong i-unbox na Daredevil na action figures from City Toys. Nabili ko to sa Shopee around 1,400 pesos each. So buksan natin, meron tayong red version at saka yung black version. Okay, unahin natin tong red version. Okay, unboxan natin. Wow, Stig. So meron siyang base sa likod, transparent na base, rectangular transparent base. Meron din siyang pole and clamp. Hindi siya spring loaded ah. Okay, tabi muna natin 'yan. Alright, this is Daredevil City Toys out of the packaging. Very cool. You have the action figure, two heads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. 5 sets of hands. Very cool. 10 pieces yan in total. Two buttons, yung kanya, meron red version and also, meron pang holster. Okay, tama. Holster yung red, tapos button yung nakalagay din sa top. They have two buttons, tapos meron ding version na ganito, yung parang merong spring or some sort of flexible na plastic. Flexible wire pala. Okay, let's take Daredevil out of the packaging. Ayusin lang natin. Uy, may nahulog. Ito. Ang astig din ng packaging. Meron pa siyang back comic book style ng comic book panel na illustration ni Deadpool sa likod. Okay, Daredevil stands at around 6 inches tall. Very nice, very solid na action figure. This is a bootleg version. Hindi to original hindi to hindi to authentic. Bootleg version siya. Pero grabe ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa dito. Tight joints, walang mga loose joints. So, chine-check ko lang din kung meron siyang mga defects since bootleg nga siya. Pero ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ni City Toys. Ayun, meron ng loose to. Itong part na to, yung sa button. Okay, pwede rin natin palitan yan ng itong version na to. Okay? Kasi equip din natin ito mamaya yung kanyang button with Billy Club na white version. Okay? Okay, let's start with the sculpt. Very nice sculpt, very nice muscle definition sa chest. You have the DD logo na red din. And also yung paint na ginawa nila dito, naglagay sila ng slight na shadows dun sa very deep, dun sa deeper parts ng suit. So dito meron yung mga pre-shading, merong shadows na in-spray using airbrush, a darker shade of red. Hindi siya super bright red katulad nitong logo natin. I think this is a darker shade of red. So parang nasa darker shade of warm red. Tapos itong part na to medyo nasa maroon color range na. Then you have the head, very nice head. Ganda ng mata niya, red na mas brighter red kaysa dun sa suit. And then you have the face, ganda ng stig ng nose bridge niya, very defined. You also have the lips, the chin, very comic book style na approach dun sa design. And then you have the head, the ears, the neck. Meron ding shadows dun sa neck. Tapos you have yung physique niya, medium built body, hindi siya super bulky or super slim. Ganda ng proportion na ginawa ni City Toys sa paggawa sa action figure na to. Very nice mold and stick din ng pagkakagawa nila dun sa mga joints. Stiff siya pero nagagalaw mo pa rin na maayos. Hindi siya loose. Okay? Tapos meron din siyang ganda rin ng suit, yung plastic na ginamit, matibay. Tapos dito sa parts na to flexible. You also have the biceps, ang ganda ng muscle definition. You also have, meron din siyang gloves dito sa part na to na wala masyadong color separation. Lahat ng colors ng action figure na to is nasa red na color range. Okay? Tapos meron din siyang holster. Yung holster niya, meron tatlong different holsters. So you have the empty holster, yung holster with two buttons. Pwede mong naka-equip yung two buttons, tapos yung single button, pwede mo ipasok dyan. And then you also have two alt heads. Ito, accessories na tayo. Yan. Two alt heads, yung isa naka-close yung teeth. Angry emotion. Naka-close yung mouth. Open yung mouth. Then, ang daming kamay, open palms. Yan. 10 yung binigay ni City Toys dito. Tapos equip natin 'tong articulation muna. Okay, up. Head can look up. Teka lang, Head can look up, down. Very nice kasi meron siyang neck na joint tilt. Ganda. Ganda ng ano, ganda ng tilt, ganda ng look down. It can look down like that. Grabe, ang ganda ng ano. Tsaka walang gap. Maganda dito walang gap halos. Walang gap. Konting-konti lang. Tilt, side to side. Mayroong butterfly joint. Laki din ng ano, ng range of motion ng butterfly. Cool. Arms can go up like that. Very nice. Taas oh. Tapos biceps, ano, shoulders. Itong part na to can rotate. Double jointed na elbow, ball joint yung kamay. Tapos chest can do the stretch like that. Stretch. Look, bend down or ab crunch. Meron din rotation, 360. Tapos, meron ding rotation dito sa lower part of the waist. Kick that far. Move. Tag dito. Yan. Yun. Kick to the side that far. Double jointed yung knee and ball joint yung paa with toe articulation. Very nice. Sa accessories naman, yun nga, meron kang dalawang heads, 10 na hands, and a base, and two buttons. Ay, two holsters. Yan. Stig nito mga ma'am, sir. Alright, so yun ang ating review ng City Toys na red version ng Daredevil na action figure. Super cool poses yung magagawa nyo dito kasi sobrang ganda na articulation niya. Okay, buksan naman natin tong black na version. I think pareho lang siya. Pareho lang. Pareho lang to. Magkaiba lang yung kulay ng ano, ng suit. Okay, out of the packaging, ito yung black Daredevil na suit. Very nice, matte. Matte yung finish niya. Hindi siya super shiny. Same lang din. So you have the empty button, empty holster, single button, and then double button. Two buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Asan yung isang hand? Ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hands, 2 alt heads, 1 figure, 2 buttons na mero attached na wire. Super cool. Alright, same lang dun sa previous na Daredevil. I think, yeah, parehong-pareho lang yung mold na ginamit. 6 inches tall din siya. Tapos, ang different colored plastic lang yung ginamit dito sa Daredevil na suit na to. So, you have the DD logo in red, the belt in red, and the holster in red. But everything is the same, black. Ang difference lang niya, black suit si Daredevil dito sa black version. Okay, and then you also have the red eyes. Very, very nice, well-made action figure by CT Toys. So yeah, if you have the extra resources to buy this figure, go do it. Sa Shopee, 1,400 only. If you're a Marvel collector or a Daredevil fan, or if you like this figure, go do it mga mom sir. Sobrang ganda. Okay? So yun lang mga mom sir, that's it. Yun ang ating review ng Daredevil na action figures na to. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.